If forward folding feels awful on your lower back, here is the very, very simple fix. The first thing you need to do is try and sit on something to lift up your pelvis. I won't bore you with the anatomy why, but sit up, and then what you'll find is your pelvis kind of stays neutral or rocks forward. Without it, it tips backwards, and that's why you're doing this. This is a reflection of your pelvis. So bend your knees, sit back on your cushion, feel your pelvis roll forward. There we go. Now hold on to your feet, and that is so, so nice on my lower back. This feels therapeutic. It feels something that I can continue doing. Whereas in this is actually, yeah, I mean, it's just horrible. It feels horrible and is horrible. So again, the fix. Bend your knees, hands either side, sit on a cushion if you need to. You see how my pelvis is off the ground? Stick your backside out. Feel those two backside bones on the ground there, and reach forward. If you can't reach your feet, bring them towards you. There we go. Remember, this version here doesn't work for most people, especially men. There we go. That feels great. And over time, your legs will straighten when they are ready, but definitely don't force it. Essentially, you are sat like this, and what you want is to sit like this. And now, as you go forward, you're more likely to roll forward with a sequential curve rather than like that. I mean, that just looks horrible, doesn't it? Don't forget to check out akramyoga.co.uk.